Hey friends, in this video I'll show you how to make fresh rice noodle and rice vermicelli. With just a few ingredients, this recipe is really straightforward. I hope you'll join me in this short video. For the ingredients have rice flour, salt, vegetable oil, water, tapioca starch, and xanthan gum. In a medium saucepan, add half a cup rice flour, salt, water, and vegetable oil. Whisk together until the flour is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Heat the mixture over medium-high heat, stirring constantly. In 2 to 3 minutes, the mixture should start to thicken. Continue stirring, bringing it to a gentle boil. Once the mixture starts bubbling, turn off the heat. Continue whisking for another minute, making sure the mixture is smooth. Set aside and let the batter cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Add the remaining 1½ cups rice flour, tapioca starch, and xanthan gum into the bowl of a stand mixer. Mix on low speed for 15 seconds to combine the ingredients together. Add the batter prepared earlier. Using the flat beater, mix on low speed for 30 seconds. Scrape down the beater and around the bowl to work in any remaining dry ingredients. Mix on medium speed until fluffy, approximately 1 minute. The batter should be soft and sticky and look like a thick frosting. To make the rice noodle, I'm going to use this potato ricer. It comes with 3 plates and I'm using the one with the smallest holes. I'll share links to this ricer in the video's description. Transfer small amounts of batter into the ricer. Try not to leave any large gaps or holes in the batter. This will help the noodle to be extruded evenly. Fill the ricer 3/4 full with batter. Overfilling will just cause some of the batter to come out from the top instead of through the plate. Bring a large pot of water to a rapid boil. Prepare a cold water bath by filling a large bowl with water and adding ice cubes. Add half a tablespoon vegetable oil to the boiling water. This helps the noodles not stick together during cooking. Using a large wooden spoon, stir the water a few times to get it moving. Holding the ricer over the water, press down on the handle quickly and smoothly to extrude the batter. Dip the ricer into the water and swirl a few times to release the noodles. Gently stir the noodles. Once they float to the top, they're cooked. The cooking process is fast, about a minute or so. Using a large skimmer, scoop up the noodles and transfer into the cold water bath. Swirl the noodles in the cold water for 30 seconds. Drain the water and transfer the noodles into a salad spinner or large colander. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 2 batches. Swirl the noodles in cold water for about a minute and then drain. Notice how cloudy the water is. Rinsing the noodles will help to wash away the starch. Rinse the noodles one more time. Use the salad spinner to remove the remaining water. There you have it, friends, delicious fresh rice noodle. If ready to serve, transfer the noodles into individual bowls. Optionally, make small noodle mounds to serve later. The tapioca starch and xanthan gum give the noodle elasticity. If you like this texture, you can always add more. To make rice vermicelli, which is a thinner noodle, I made a plate for my potato ricer. It's a bit of a DIY project, but if you're interested in learning how I made this, let me know in the comments below and perhaps I can share a video or blog post. To make the rice vermicelli, you use the same batter and the cooking process is the same. Again, once the noodles float to the top, they're done. Avoid overboiling as it will make the noodles mushy. The noodles are best enjoyed the day they're made. Refrigerate any remaining portions and enjoy within 3 to 4 days. These delicious fresh rice noodles can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Please see the links for the recipes. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.